Yo, Pan, you ready?
Yeah.
Man, let's lock and load.
Yeah.
Just blaze.
Yeah.
No, turn me up.
Hey.
I think we got one.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Tell me, what do you see when you're looking at me?
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
On a mission to be what I'm destined to be.
Whoa, whoa.
Hey. I done been through the pain and the sorrow, the struggle is nothing but love. Nothing but love. A soldier, a rider, a man, a survivor, and all the above. Hey. All the above. 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 Man, no. All the above. Really, what do you see when you looking at me? See me come up from nothing. See me living my dream.
Doctors have diagnosed you as having a split personality.
A schizo.
What the hell are you still doing here?
Can't get rid of me, Hank. Hank! Hank! You're only hurting yourself!
Schizophrenia is a chronic, severe, and disabling brain disease. Chromosome 22 has a piece missing, which is why some patients develop the disorder of schizophrenia. Loss of this chromosome piece is the only known repeating copy number mutation tied together with schizophrenia. The genes currently associated with schizophrenia are autosomal. The parts in your brain that keep you in reality deplete with someone who has schizophrenia, which causes them to have hallucinations. With many different types of schizophrenia, the symptoms vary from person to person. Usually with schizophrenia, the person's inner world and behavior change very often. Changes might include the following: social withdrawal, loss of appetite, hallucinations, delusions, hearing voices in your head, making words up with no meaning, and the sense of being controlled by outside forces. People with schizophrenia may not look ill on the outside, but they are deeply affected by this disorder on the inside. Diagnosing schizophrenia is based on observing patients' actions, but doctors use certain tests to make sure nothing else is affected by the symptoms. The doctor will examine someone who has schizophrenia either in an office or in an emergency department. It's most likely that the patient will see a psychiatrist for an official diagnosis. There is no known cure for this disorder. There are effective processes you can follow to help reduce certain symptoms. Possibly, after 10 years you have been diagnosed, you will be able to function independently. Successful treatment of schizophrenia depends upon a lifelong plan of both drugs and support therapies. Along going to therapy to treat this disorder, the person will have to always take pills to control the hallucinations, but it will never help them socially, emotionally, or mentally. Poverty and homelessness is often associated with this disease. Current beliefs that there are a number of genes that contribute to schizophrenia, but none of them show full responsibility for the disease. It is believed that schizophrenia is much like diabetes, which is caused by a number of genetic and environmental factors. Research also increasingly suggests that, like diabetes, many cases of schizophrenia may be preventable.
Best friend in this world. In the hospital, they were roommates.
We both did it. She has childhood schizophrenia, I have paranoid schizophrenia. Paranoid schizophrenia is when you get nervous and when you get mad and angry. I get mad and angry sometimes. I believe we're from the room that you believe mine are. Yeah. We understand each other. It's more back here, please. Forward to the dog.
The reason this play date is so extraordinary is because they both get each other. They both can talk about their imaginary world and their hallucinations and feel good with them.
When Danny's mad at me, she eat it and she never get mad at each other. We don't break stuff when they get each other. I'm still at home at 50 at night and I'm not 20 in the morning.
That helps you not see the shadows?
No, I get rid of them. I love them. They're mean, but I have to do what they say.
What did they tell you to do, Becca?
They'll put a serum on the X. Fear is when you get migraines and your head spins. If something in my head that makes me want to scream and pull my hair.
This play date is as normal will get for Janny.
This is how you do the kiss.
Cause you're doing it perfectly.